Hi guys, welcome along to another video of mine. Today I want to do a bit of an unbox. Never done an unbox before. This is for the Surpass Hobby 4076 motor. I never spend any real money on my toys. I've been going for the Chinese stuff lately because it's great value. So please watch the video. Later on I'll be doing a video of how to fit this into my big truck, but I'm just waiting on some other motor mounts to come through. As soon as they are through, I will do another video. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is the Surpass Hobby motor that I was talking to you about. They come in a relatively decent little box, nothing to write home about. Just open it up. We have a little set of instructions. It just gives you the spec of the motor, nothing special. And here we have said motor. So it comes in a relatively simple box. It's basically some foam, bit of cardboard around it. Again, nothing special. Does the job. And here's the motor in some relatively straightforward packaging. I hope you can hear that over all the rustling. Here it is. Generally relatively straightforward, large 1.8 brushless motor. Now this motor is going to go in my 1.8 truck to replace the existing 4068 motor that's in there. This is a 4076. Main benefits mean that it's a bit torquier. This is 2200 kV. So just generally the bigger beast. I'll just show you what it's going to look like in my truck. I can't mount it today because I'm waiting on a new motor mount. The one that I have in there at the moment is a little bit of Heath Robinson, so yeah. So here's my truck. I hope you can see it alright. My lighting is not the best. So at the moment you can see this is the motor that's in there, the 4068 motor at the moment. Let's just hold this up against that to see what it's going to be like. So you can see a little bit chunkier, a little bit longer. Don't know if heating the heatsink fins will make any difference whatsoever, but we'll see. The idea is hopefully that I can run a slightly bigger pinion and my truck will go a little bit faster. You can check out videos of my truck in my other videos. So yeah, great guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.